The Autel MaxiDIAG MD808 Pro is a versatile diagnostic scan tool that supports a wide range of vehicles and systems, making it an excellent choice for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. This device offers impressive functions like electronic parking brake maintenance, steering angle sensor calibration, and diesel particulate filter operations, ensuring comprehensive vehicle care. Equipped with a 4-inch LCD display and user-friendly interface, the MD808 Pro provides clear and easy access to vital vehicle information. The Scan Tool's battery management system feature allows users to effectively monitor and manage battery health and replacements, enhancing vehicle performance. With its ability to read and clear trouble codes, perform oil resets, and provide live data, the MD808 Pro ensures efficient maintenance and troubleshooting. The compact design and robust functionality of the Autel MaxiDIAG MD808 Pro make it a top contender in the market for multifunctional diagnostic tools.